Hey gang, Jesse again here at EC Auto Repair. So, as I mentioned in an earlier video, we checked the battery, we checked the air filter, we checked some of the main things on the car underneath the hood before we raised it. A lot of people like coming out into the shop and seeing underneath their car. Most people have not ever seen the underneath side of their car, and it's actually quite fascinating to see everything that's underneath the car. One of the things that we've observed on this particular car that we want to let the customer know about is we have some premature wear coming on the tires. So you'll notice that the inside of this tire is wore way down versus to the outside or even the rest of the tire. So that could be indicated by a strut, control arm, any different thing that is to do with the vehicle. One of my technicians will actually take a look at this, dig into it farther to see what the root cause is that's causing those tires to wear prematurely to the inside. Once the correction is made, whether it's just an alignment or whether there's actually mechanical repairs that need done, then an alignment will be done to ensure that this vehicle is actually completely and fully corrected.